Hotstar discounts annual subscription to 696 rupees. Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 India launch set for October 10th. Samsung Galaxy Note 8, iPhone 8 Plus tie for the best camera. Today is Wednesday, October the 4th, and this is 360 Daily. Quick Heal's enterprise security brand Secret has discovered an advertisement on Darknet forum that claims to have access to data of over 6,000 Indian businesses that include ISPs, some of the key government organizations, banks and enterprises. The unknown hacker has priced the information at 15 bitcoins, which is nearly 42 lakh rupees, and is offering network takedowns of affected organizations as well. Hotstar is currently offering a 1-year membership at 696 rupees to new and returning users as long as you don't have an ongoing subscription already. That's more than 70% off on the usual price, given it costs 199 rupees per month. It's a massive incentive for those who have been holding out on the streaming service due to price. Mi Mix 2 will be launched in India on October 10th. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 launch will take place in New Delhi on October 10th as per the launch teaser shared by the company. In his announcement tweet, Xiaomi India MD Manu Kumar Jain said, "The wait is over. Hashtag Mi Mix 2 is coming to India. Come October 10th and hail the Mi Mix 2." Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has tied with the iPhone 8 Plus for the best smartphone camera rating by DxOMark. For smartphone camera quality, the DxOMark review is considered one of the biggest reference points. The Note 8 has received the best rating of 94 out of 100 in DxOMark review, which is the same as the iPhone 8 Plus. It exceeds the 92 rating given to the iPhone 8 with its single camera setup. So that's it for this edition of 360 Daily, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.